Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reverse videos on CapCut. So if you have a clip that you want to reverse, I will show you how to do it. First of all, just open the CapCut application in your mobile, and once you are on the CapCut, tap on this new project, and now you simply have to choose the clip you want to reverse. Let's say this is the one. Tap on this add, and as you can see, it's not reverse now, it's just walking here. Now I want to reverse a certain part. So what you have to do is you have to split the clip right where you want to reverse it. Once you do that, copy the clip, so that is the exact same clip playing on both sides. Now select the clip here and then scroll down until you find this option duplicate. Now once you do that, click on this copy clip. You want to scroll these options until you find this reverse. Just tap on it, reverse, and as you can see, it's doing the work. And now when it's done, you can play the video. Like as you can see, it's moving, and now this one is reversed. As you can see, it's coming back. So that's how you can easily reverse video in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.